stretch across the rock, along the coast the Pacific surrounds me. Safe in the arms at night, never seems.
Strangely, this is still on top of a volcano, but look at this, it's like a rainforest. I'm thinking like I'm the fat guy on Lost, except he's got more hair.
Really?
Hurley, because I was going to say I'm like Locke, the bald guy, but I'm clearly not, as you can see, after all those pancakes this morning. But we've been testing the robustness of our cameras because it's actually quite hot up here, and the guy at the hotel told us to wear jackets because it was 4,000 feet and it was really, really cold and all this. But when you get close to these things, you sweat like a piggy, or like the fat guy on Lost, whatever you prefer. But look at this. This is like paradise or something like that. On top of a volcano. I mean, it gets a bit charred and some of it's been like vaporised, but in general we're not very far from the rim of it. I just heard singing, all this Hawaiian hula singing in the background on top of this volcano. Well, this is what the sulphur banks look like, and Katie and I were just saying, well, the walk looked more impressive. It kind of looks like a Tassie quarry, but there's little nooks and crannies where you, I don't know if you can see it on this camera, we've got some good photos on the other camera, but those yellow things, they're all crystal. If you can see this, where are we? Like that. And it makes these awesome yellow things. Over there in the bush there, it's all smoke coming out. In Tassie you would be thinking it's a bushfire or someone burning off. But here, it's just how we roll. In Hawaii. I just noticed this sign here. And look what my wife is doing. She's obeying direct sign orders. But the truth is, it's not illegal if you don't get caught. And look over there. No one for one of Hawaii's top tourist destinations, and we got it to ourselves. Oh, hang on, it doesn't say illegal, sweetie. It says hazardous. Better get off. This sign here tells the story of a local legend of old. No, hang on. 2000, where a visitor got burned and scalded his legs in this exact spot. But they don't put the sign up until after we've already walked all over the place, because you know what? Everything's relaxed and chilled in Hawaii. She'll be right. We're in Hawaii, mate. Relax, relax, relax. But I think if you look closely, you can still see skin from that boy's leg. Not really, I'm full of crap. But we're going to stick to the path from now on.
So we are currently driving down Chain of Craters Road, and it's a really pretty drive, so we thought we'd show you some of the action. Right as we come to the car park, not a good place to show you, but this shows you how busy it is, how popular it is in the daytime.
This is where we snuck overnight.
Yeah, last night we came in here by ourselves, and there was no one here, and it's all lit up and beautiful, so you'll see some shots of that as well.
We just wanted to tell you that we took the Psycho Ranger's advice and crept down the creepy trail by ourselves.
Very creepy trail.
Pitch black. What's that movie about the people from a foreign land who listen to the creepy ranger and then... It's all lava flow on either side of the road. They've managed to clear it here. Some places it's really rough, other places it's as smooth as a baby's bum. Here's a pretty one. I don't know if you can see that really well on an iPhone, probably not, but it's really quite light and really quite pretty. Anyway, my beautiful hula mama is over there. I'm going to go join her. Hawaii. Okay, here I am. I'm walking on lava. And see if I can get this. It probably won't. Hang on. This is hollow, a lot of it. Hear that? It's all hollow. Some places hollow, air bubbles. And why am I holding up to my face? Have a look at it. We're going to go down to the water, where the water flows into the lava flows into the water. Aloha.